Hello students, last class I have completed started equation of a straight line from the book R.S. Agarwal, exercise 49. I have completed number 10. See the question number 10. Find the equation of line whose slope given and y-intercept given. Slope given, y-intercept given, you have to apply the slope intercept form. This one is the slope intercept form you have to apply to find the equation of a line. Slope given, m is the slope and c is the y-intercept. Few questions, number 10, first part I have completed. Just for a revision, just to see. For 2 seconds, 2 minutes I am telling to just concentrate here. Second part, slope given, y-intercept given. You have to find out the equation of straight line using slope intercept form. That is y equal to mx plus c. M given, c given. Just you have to put the value and you have to simplify. You have to write in general form. X, y number equal to 0. The third part, gradient means slope given, y-intercept given, m given, c given. You have to find the equation line by using slope intercept form. Okay. This is the third part, number 1. Number 10, third part. And number 4th part also I have completed. Just see. Gradient given, gradient minus slope given, m equal to 0, y-intercept, that is c equal to 2 given. Equation of straight line using the formula y is equal to mx plus c. Put the value of m here 0 and c 2. After that you are getting y equal to 2. And question number 12 I am doing. See the question number 12 what is given here. In this question number 12, just see here. Find the equation of a line whose slope is 4. Slope given and which passes through the point 5 minus 7. Slope given, 1 point given, you have to find the equation of the line. Just let me write number 12 first part. Slope given, slope equal to how much? 4. And 1 point given. What is that point? That is 5 comma minus 7. Okay. And you have to find out the equation of the line. So by using slope point form, the other form you have to memorize. By using slope point form, equation of straight line. What is that formula? Write the formula right here. Y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. Here the form you have to memorize. This is slope point form. Now put the value of y minus, what is that y1? That is minus 7. This will be plus 7. What is the value of m? That is 4, slope given. X minus x1. x1 is 5. Now you have to open the bracket. You have to simplify. Y plus 7. This will be 4x minus 20. Finally what will you get? 4x minus y minus 27 equal to 0. This is the equation of the required line having slope given and 1 point given. Let us see number 12, second part. Just see. See the second part question given, slope given minus 3 and point given. That is the line passing through the point minus 2 comma 3 and having slope minus 3. You have to find out equation of straight line using slope point form. Therefore, equation of straight line using slope and point, using slope point form. What is that? Y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. This is the formula you have to memorize. This is the slope point form. Y minus y1. What is that y1? 3. M given how much? Minus 3. X minus x1. What is that x1? That is minus 2. This will be plus 2. Now simply you have to open the bracket. Y minus 3 is equal to minus 3x minus 6. You have to arrange in general equation form like that. 3 should be 3x plus y plus 3 will be 0. Just you have to simplify. You have to write x, y number equal to 0. Okay. This is the answer of number 12, second part. Just see the third part, it is given. Third part it is given, slope given. Slope given equal to how much? Minus 5 by 3. And the passing through the point given minus 3 comma 5, minus 3 comma 5. Equation of line you have to find out. Therefore, equation of straight line using what is that form? Using slope point form. Using slope point, as it is given, slope given and point given, slope point form. What is that? You have to write the form first. Y minus y1 m x minus x1. You have to write. Now put the value of y minus what is y1, that is 5. Y coordinate. M given, slope given minus 5 by 3, x minus, this will be minus 3, this will be plus 3. After that, just cross multiply. 3y minus 15, this will be minus 5x minus 15. You have to arrange proper way. This will be 5x plus 3y, and this minus 15 minus cancel, the 3x plus 5x plus 3y equal to 0. This is the general equation of the straight line. You have to write always x, y number equal to 0. There is no number. 3x plus 5y equal to 0. This is the answer of number 12, third part. Okay, number 12 fully completed. In this equation, slope given and point given. Let us see next number. See the question number 19. It is given. Find the gradient and the y-intercept each of the following lines. Equation of line given, you have to find out gradient, means slope you have to find out, and y-intercept of the following line you have to find out. Let's see number 19. First part, what is given here? Question number 19 given, equation of line given 6x plus 4y minus 9 equal to 0. It is given. And you have to find out gradient dependent, means slope you have to find out. You have to arrange this line equation in the slope intercept form like this. 4y is equal to minus 6x plus 9. Y left hand side, x and other number right hand side. Dividing 4 both sides, y will be how much? Minus 6 by 4 x plus 9 by 4. Just you have to compare this equation line like y is equal to mx plus c. Here m means slope. M means slope of the line and c stands for y-intercept. Okay. So therefore comparing this one, slope or gradient, equal to how much? Minus 6 by 4, which is equal to minus 3 by 2. The slope of the line is minus 3 by 2, and y-intercept is equal to how much you are getting? That is 9 by 4. So from the 19 first part, I think you are able to understand. Equation line given, and you have to arrange in proper manner like y equal to mx plus c. From there you find slope or gradient of the line and y-intercept. Okay. Let us see the second part. It is given 5 whole into x minus 2y is equal to 3 given. You have to arrange in proper manner. How? Just to see, multiply the 5x, this will be minus 10y equal to 3. After that, 5x minus 3 equal to 10y. So this implies y equal to how much? You have to divide 10. 5 by 10 means 1 by 2 x minus, keep it plus and here, minus 3 by 10. Now you compare this equation of line with y is equal to mx plus c. If you compare, you can get the value of m. M means slope or gradient. What is that? M is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, slope or gradient meaning same is equal to how much coming? That is the coefficient of x, that is 1 by 2. And y-intercept equal to how much? That is c here, minus 3 by 10. Y-intercept, that is minus 3 by 10. In this way, we have completed number 19, first part, second part, as well as number 12, 3 questions, total 5 questions today are completed. And last question I am doing just to see number 3, third part from number 19. Question given, x by 6 plus y by 9 is equal to 1. You have to arrange taking LCM. 9 6 LCM, what will be how much? 18. This will be 3x. This is 2y is equal to 1. Finally 2y is equal to minus 3x plus 18. Multiplying 18 that side. Dividing 2 both sides, you will get y is equal to minus 3 by 2 into x plus 9. Dividing 2 both sides. Now you compare this equation that you got with y is equal to mx plus c. Now it will be easier to identify what is the slope of the line. Slope or gradient of the line equal to minus 3 by 2. And y-intercept. Y-intercept, how much you got? That is 9c. Okay. I hope you are able to understand how to find out slope and y-intercept from the given equation of line. In this way, I have completed number 19, 3 questions, and number 12, 3 questions. Thank you for today's class.